If you are looking for sound settings and if you want to manage them on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in order to find them we need to just simply open settings and then in here scroll down a little bit in order to find sound and vibration. Now in here we can, for example, change the notification sound, the ringtone sound and the alarm sound. Besides that, we have these sliders for volume levels for media, ringtone and alarm, and also we can enable the slider for notifications. If it's off, the notification volume level is synchronized with the ringtone volume level. Besides that, we can toggle the silent mode, we can silence media in the silent mode, and we can find the D&D mode in here and the D&D settings. We have the vibration section where we can enable vibration for calls and vibrations in silent mode, and we can also toggle haptic feedback. Besides that, we can go to sound effects in order to find Dolby Atmos and Xiaomi sound. We have the graphic equalizer, so you can use the EQ to adjust the loudness on different frequencies. And we can also toggle the immersive sound option, and we also have the earphone controls section. Now, furthermore, if we go to additional settings, here we can enable the slider for the notification volume level. We can also adjust media sound in multiple apps, and we can toggle multiple audio sources option. And we have system sounds, and all of them can be enabled or disabled over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.